Okay, so I think now we should start a session. Everything is fine. Manu,
Yeah,
I'm audible.
yeah, you are.
I'm audible.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so let's start. Good evening, everyone. I am Abhishek Ojha, the Secretary of Sundarbans House, and your host for today's session. I am thrilled to welcome you all for the first episode of our Gate series, brought to you by Sundarbans House. Today, we are honored to have with us a distinguished academician and expert in the field of probability and statistics, Mr. Santosh Chaudhary, sir. Mr. Santosh Chaudhary, sir, his academic achievements are nothing short of remarkable. He secured All India rank 3 in a GATE exam, All India rank 17 in IIT JAM exam, and he has secured All India 51 in CSIR NET exam. Currently, he is an assistant professor at BIT Mesra. Mr. Chaudhary holds a PhD from IIT Kharagpur, and he has earned a master's degree from IIT Bombay as well as IIT Delhi. His extensive experience and profound knowledge make him the perfect guide for us in the series. Today's session, we will delve into the fundamental concept of probability and statistics. Mr. Santosh Chaudhary sir will be covering essential topics that are crucial for both academic excellence and competitive exams like GATE. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your understanding, this session is tailored to cater all the levels of the learners. So before we begin, if you have any question in your mind, please feel free to type them in the chat box. We will have a dedicated question answer session at the end of the in the part of the session. So now, without further ado, I'm delighted to hand over to the session to our guest speaker, Mr. Santosh Chaudhary, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much everyone for inviting me here. So like he introduced me. Currently, I'm a assistant professor at BIT Mesra, Ranchi, Birla Institute of Technology, and uh, recently, I would like to tell you one thing more. So I joined PhD in August 2021, and I finished my PhD just in 2024 within 3 years. So I'm currently assistant professor. Last month I just joined here. So my some pro- I mean formalities are remaining in the PhD process like Viva and defense all, but I'm joined here as the professor. So today I will be talking about GATE statistics exam. So actually GATE statistics exam started in 2019. So if I share you the syllabus, and so obviously you can visit the website and you can see everything. So I would like to tell that so GATE statistics exam was started in 2019 only, and before that there was GATE mathematics exam in which statistics question were asked. Okay, so since JAM statistics is separated from JAM mathematics, GATE statistics is separated from GATE mathematics, and in future we are hoping that CSIR net statistics will also be separated from CSIR net mathematical science. Voice is being raised, and there are several meetings held with UGC and CSIR. So statistics is a very important area, in today's world. So like in machine learning, artificial intelligence, or the data science role you might be looking for. So you must be knowing statistics very well to apply. So those who are willing to give GATE statistics exam, so how it is useful? So all of you must be knowing that GATE has three purpose. Like you might get job in PSUs. The second purpose is taking admission into MTech program at various institutes. So like GATE statistics so far is being accepted. Like I would like to name few institutes. For example, I think IIT Madras also offer MTech in data science. They also accept GATE statistics score. IIT Bombay has a MTech in operation research. IEOR department IIT Bombay offers MTech in industrial engineering and operation research. They also accept GATE statistics score. IIT Guwahati has MTech data science. They also score accept GATE statistics score, and there are several like IISc Bangalore has computational and data science department, so CDS. So CDS offers MTech and PhD in data science, and they offer GATE statistics both. So like I was guiding one of the student this year, Aditya. He had rank 3 in GATE statistics. So fortunately, what happened last year when I was in second year of my PhD, I just appeared for the GATE exam. So for the making my resume, and I got third rank last year, GATE 2023. And in GATE 2024, one of my student got GATE third rank in GATE statistics only, and he was offered MTech in data science at IISc Bangalore based on his GATE score, but he had gone through interview process also. So IISc Bangalore gives admission after the interview. So he had rank 3, and then he appeared in interview. So he was offered PhD position as well as MTech position in data science at IISc Bangalore. He also got opportunity as PhD statistics from IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, and various institutes like. So, but he will be joining IIT Bombay PhD statistics because he want to do PhD in statistics. So the three purpose of GATE statistics are there. One, I will repeat once again. One is the job in PSUs. Second is MTech admission, and the third one is PhD admission. So based on GATE statistics score, all IITs, including IIT Madras, also offers PhD in statistics. So since IITs do not have a statistics department separately, but in the mathematics department, like I know in IIT Madras, one professor is Nilesh Upadhyay sir. So Nilesh Upadhyay sir has done PhD from IIT Bombay under P. Velasamy sir. Since I did MSc in statistics from IIT Bombay. So I know Velasamy sir, under whom Nilesh Upadhyay sir has done PhD. So he's in mathematics department. He offers PhD also. So one can join PhD statistics in the mathematics department at IIT Madras also using GATE statistics score after BS degree, bachelor degree, or after master degree. It's up to you. So if, since PhD allowed after bachelor degree also. So if you complete your 4-year bachelor degree, then you can easily take admission into PhD after just your BS degree or 4-year bachelor's degree in any IITs. So GATE score is accepted only at IITs, NITs for MTech and PhD admission. Okay. And other is job also. So job, I will tell you job. So like I also appeared in GATE 2022 exam when I was in first year of PhD around. So there actually I had ranked 21 that time, GATE 2022. And based on that rank, I was offered assistant data analysis role at CRIS of Indian Railways. I think CRIS is the Center for Railway Information System. So they offered me the job of data analyst without any interview, without any written, just based on the GATE score. So they had vacancy of assistant data analyst who had appeared in GATE Statistics 2022 exam. And so I applied there, and I was offered assistant data analysis role based on my GATE score of 2022. Also for the GATE CS people, GATE computer science people, there was role, I think, software engineer, assistant software engineer through GATE computer science. And the same year, assistant data analyst role was offered based on GATE statistics school. So I was one of the person who was selected, but I didn't join there because of I was pursuing my PhD at IIT Kharagpur. So I didn't join that job. But one of my friend and a few of my known joined there. It was good. They were offering 10-12 lakh per annum package and something else also. So this was the information about GATE statistics scope. So what you can do through GATE statistics. There are job opportunities also, MTech admission opportunities also, PhD admission also. So now I will be speaking on probability statistics. So this was the background of GATE statistics. And if you had any question, then I can also answer. I think we will have answer session at the end, right? So so let me share my screen and I will show you the syllabus, and then I will talk about on top some topics. So my other device will share screen.
Santosh, so actually it's up to you. Like when you want to do the, if you want to answer the questions like in the ongoing meet, you can do that as well, and even you can keep it at the end as well. So it's up to you.
Yeah. So since actually I explained the scope of GATE statistics, so what institutes offer MTech, what institute offer PhD, all IITs offer PhD admission. All IITs offer PhD admission. through GATE statistics score. So all IITs have mathematics department, and every mathematics department offer PhD in statistics, because any mathematics department at IIT has statistics professors, and a statistics professor take a student for the PhD statistics. So anyone can join PhD statistics at any IIT in a mathematics department actually. So IIT Bombay and IIT Kanpur are some exception in the sense that they have MSc statistics course also. So for this reason, and IIT Tirupati also now, so IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, and IIT Tirupati has separate MSc statistics courses, and due to that, they have a more number of statistics professor. For example, IIT Kanpur has more than 20 statistics professor only. So out of 40-50 professors in the mathematics department, almost half are statistics professor. Same in the IIT Bombay also, because they offer master degree in statistics. So around if you see, if a department has 20 statistics professor, so all of them offers PhD in statistics. So you can take admission there also. If anyone has the question regarding GATE exam or the GATE preparation strategy or anything, so preparation strategy, I think you all are IIT people, so you know we have mainly 2-3 things. One is syllabus, so we have to cover syllabus. Then the PYQ is for the reference, that what to study and how questions are being asked, and what to do. So PYQ and the syllabus first you have to go through, so that you will understand the exam. And then once you understand the exam, then you have to few more practice problems you need, so that you can refer to some books. There are a lot of books and reference books, so master level books you can see. So since the people with the MSc degree can appear in GATE exam, or the people with the 4-year bachelor degree can appear in the exam. So, or you can refer to some coaching material also, so that can be done. So yeah, if you have any questions that I can answer, if anyone want to ask anything about GATE statistics exam actually. So one screen shows the statistics syllabus, and this is the same thing. I think you might be going through your BS degree process. So like the first part covers calculus portion. So you see the syllabus is simply calculus portion has finite countable sets. There's set theory, sequence series, then continuity, differentiability, and then basic calculus. So limits and Taylor's theorem, Riemann integration, and all that, improper integral function of 2 or 3 variable function, and then limit, continuity, differentiability, all that, diagonal derivative, and this. This is the calculus part. This is the first portion, and the second portion is the matrix theory. This is the linear algebra portion. So in this portion, you know, subspace and the linear dependence matrix, determinant, eigenvalue, eigenvector, then Cayley-Hamilton theorem, symmetric, skew symmetric. So matrix and determinant more or less are covered. Then at the end, they are in a quadratic form, singular value decomposition. This is the second portion. This is a matrix theory. And the third, then this is a mathematics portion. So since GATE exam has 65 questions, yes, obviously. So since GATE exam, you might be knowing that GATE has 65 questions. They ask of 100 marks, and you have to solve in 3 hours. So if I tell you about GATE statistics, so any GATE exam, there are 10 questions of aptitude, and that cover 15 marks. So the 15 marks is for the aptitude portion. So in the GATE statistics, the two portion I have just named, calculus and matrix theory. So it covers around 25 marks. Okay. So 15 marks aptitude, 25 marks mathematics. So it is around 40 marks. Okay. And then comes the statistics portion now. So statistics portion, that is a basic probability, that covers axiomatic definition of probability, properties of probability function, conditional probability, Bayes theorem, independence of event, random variable, then CDF, PDF, PMF, then expectation, moments, moment genetic function, quantiles, quartile, median, and then distribution of function of random variable, that is the transformation actually, and then Chebyshev's, Markov's, and Jensen's inequalities. So this is a probability, basic probability portion, and the random variable as well. Then this is a standard distribution and standard discrete and continuous random variable. So there are Bernoulli, binomial, geometric, negative binomial, hypergeometric, discrete, uniform, Poisson, continuous, uniform, exponential, gamma, beta, Weibull, normal. So these are some standard distributions that they want you to know. So mainly what they want you to know, actually, you should know the what are the PDF or PMF. So continuous random variable has the PDF, probability density function, and the discrete random variable has PMF, probability mass function. Okay. So they want you to know the name, and with respect to name, you must be knowing PDF or PMF, or the moment genetic function, support of random variable, mean, variance. So they will be asking questions related to that. Okay. And then there are some, now they start joint distribution. So 2 or 3 random variable. So like there are 2 random variable, then for the single random variable, it will have univariate PDF, single in the one variable. If they are two random variable, then you will have joint distribution, or two or three random variable. So then the next part of the syllabus is stochastic process. So stochastic process just covers Markov chain, then types of Markov chain, then limiting behavior of transition probability, gestationary distribution. Then there comes Poisson process, birth and death process, pure birth process, pure death process, Brownian motion, and specific properties. This part is stochastic process. So it was a random variable, univariate and uh, multivariate. Then here is stochastic process. After that is the estimation part. The estimation parts come into statistics. So it is a sufficiency, minimal sufficiency, factorization theorem, then completeness. So you have to estimate the parameters. So you should know the properties of estimators, behavior of estimator, and then like MLE and the method of moment estimator or method of maximum likelihood. So these are the part of estimation. Then testing of hypothesis. So in the hypothesis testing, they expect you to know the Neyman-Pearson lemma, most powerful test, monotone likelihood ratio property, uniformly most powerful test. Then then these are some part of hypothesis testing portion. Then other part is non-parametric statistics. In this part, you should be knowing empirical distribution function, goodness of fit test, chi-square test, Kolmogorov Smirnov test, sign test, Wilcoxon sign rank test, Mann-Whitney U test, rank correlation coefficient, and so next is what just like correlation coefficient, experiment rank, and else like coefficient they want you to know. Next part is multivariate analysis. This is extension of simple distribution. So it contains multivariate normal distribution. Then you should know the MLE of the multivariate normal parameters, actually mu and sigma. So this way, Hotling t-square distribution, t-square test, Wishart distribution, and this is a syllabus of multivariate. You can also read. Just I'm reading it. And the last part is regression analysis. So in that, sample and multiple linear regression, R square, adjusted R square, their applications, distribution of quadratic form of random vectors, Fisher-Kochran theorems, Gauss-Markov theorem, test of regression coefficient and confidence intervals. So just I showed you the syllabus of the GATE statistics. So like I said, aptitude portion has 15 marks contribution, mathematics portion has 25 marks contribution, and the statistics portion means probability topic onwards. So what I showed, so probability topic onwards covers a total around 60 marks question. So that GATE statistics, for that you should have knowledge of basic aptitude, that is common in all GATE exams. And the next is a mathematics portion that covers 25 marks, and the statistics portion covers 60 marks. And I would like to tell you more about this. So what is the score? I would like to tell you the score, how topper. So like I said, one of my students this year got third rank, and he had marks 60, exact 60, 60 point, I think 67. So based on 60 marks, he got rank 3 this year, GATE 2024 statistics. So if you score 60 marks, you will win the top 10. His, I think, GATE rank is 3. GATE score is around 990 approx. Yeah, 990 approx out of 1000. So it is the GATE score he has. 9, yeah, obviously 990 approx. So last year, like I had rank 3 in GATE statistics. So my marks was 54 only. So last year just I had marks 53.67. So last year paper was little tougher than this year. So I scored 53.67 marks last year, and I had rank 3 in GATE statistics 2023 exam actually. And this year on 60 marks, it has rank 3. So like if you score around the first ranker would be around 70, I guess. So that is a little bit. So if you score 70 out of 100, then you will win the top ranker, obviously top 10 ranker, obviously. So if you score like one more, I will tell, one student got 45 marks, Naveen. So he had rank at 45 marks, rank is 22. So one who scored 60 marks have rank 3, and one who scored 45 marks had rank, like I said, it is 22. And the one who scored rank 22 got PhD admission in IIT Roorkee, Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence Department. So there are all IITs now opening Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence Department. I would also like to tell one more. One of my friend was Nikhil Jaiswal, who is currently doing a PhD in Data Science and Artificial Department at IIT Guwahati. So IIT Roorkee and IIT Guwahati recently opened their artificial intelligence and data science department, and they accept GATE statistics score for the PhD admission. So Nikhil, who had rank 72 and he had marks 32 in the GATE 2023 exam, and based on this score, after interview, so since GATE score is only for the shortlisting purpose, then they will have interview and then PhD admission will be offered. So but he had rank 72 around and marks 32, and he got admission into IIT Guwahati machine learning and artificial intelligence department. So he has already completed first year now. So this is a scope, and I told him how many students appear in GATE statistics exam. So this is very surprising. Very less people appear in this exam. So this year around 1500 people appear in the exam. Only 1500, 1500. So only 1500 people appear. This is a very easy exam and easy to qualify. But I think for the if you want to take the MTech admission, then you have to be in top 10 only. Then there will be very less chance, because for the competitive score with respect to the other GATE subjects. So since it has less marks, so like I said, this year 22 rank, Naveen was 22 rank. You know, marks is 45. So he had GATE score around, I will tell you, around 600 props. So that will not help much. 600 or 700, I guess that. So around 600-700 only. So you will not get MTech admission on this rank because there are a lot of PhD admission can be offered. But getting top rank in GATE statistics is very easy. If you prepare a little bit, then you will get easily. You can get the top rank. That I'm saying. Want to say. Okay, so that is about GATE statistics exam. Now I told you almost everything. So let me come to the chat questions what they asked. So okay, so my LinkedIn profile is there. You can see there.
Sir, can
And
we go via hand raise process? I will request to all the.
yes, we can do that.
At the same time, if you're a shy person, if you don't want to speak, so even if you have like texted the question, so we can ask the question as well. Just let us know.
Yeah. So I would like to answer the questions through chat or through hand raise. Yeah.
So guys, if you have any question, please raise your hand, and sir will answer your question whatever you have. Please raise your hand. So Nilay, please unmute yourself and ask your question, whatever you have. Nilay Dev.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. So I wanted to ask if I'm doing BS degree from IIT Madras online, and I'm doing no other course offline. Am I eligible to give GATE, and at the same time, am I eligible to do MTech from any of the IIT?
I think for that I have to check the eligibility. You can check on website, but I guess yes.
Yeah, it's
So
eligible, sir. Eligible.
yeah, it is yes actually.
Yeah.
So you can.
So
Or any IIT, I can do MTech offline.
Yes.
if you are eligible for GATE exam and if you will qualify the GATE exam, then obviously when the IT is
Yes.
offering, then you can get it. Akash, please
Okay, sir. Thank you.
unmute yourself and ask your question. Akash with Ghanshyam, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, if is there any reference book for probability and static portion you prefer?
Yes. So I will write some books here, so you can see the screen. Let me write. So very good book, but it is not for the beginner. So beginner might not be able to understand this book, but I will recommend this is a very good book. So book title is Introduction to Probability and Statistics by V.K. Rohatgi and AKMD Saleh. So it is available on Google. You just type name on Google and PDF you will get on Google. Second book is so this first book what I wrote on the screen is enough for the full statistics portion. So it covers full statistics portion, that is the 60 marks contribution in GATE statistics paper. So that is very good book. One more similar book is statistical inference by statistical inference by Casella and Berger. So George Casella and something Berger is there. So this is a, but this book only people can understand if you have gone through basic course, like you have some earlier idea of probability in statistics, then only you will understand this book. Otherwise you will have to go. So I will write that easy reference book that beginners can follow. So third one is a beginners can follow. This is the one who have some basic idea about probability, because they have very tough language and they write very few examples and they write very precisely. So it will not be easy for the beginners to understand from these two books. But for the beginners can simply go through, one is the fundamental of mathematical statistics, fundamental of mathematical statistics by Gupta and Kapoor. This is an Indian author, so they write a lot of examples to understand. Fourth one is the Prasanna Sahu. There is one book by Prasanna Sahu. So this is available on Google. You just type the name. Title of the book is Probability in Statistics. This is a very easy book. Fourth one, Probability and Statistics. So these are the books that cover almost full syllabus of statistics portion. Okay. So like I said, in the GATE statistics, there are three parts: aptitude, mathematics, and statistics. The statistics portion has 60 marks. So you can cover your statistics portion from these books. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next question I can take now.
Oh, you are mute actually.
Okay.
Radhe,
Am I audible?
okay. Please unmute yourself and ask your question.
Hello, sir. I am Radhe Mahato.
Yes.
And my question is how I can prepare. Um, Basically, question is how I get free resource as well as paid resource for preparation, and
So
how much it will take time.
So you can YouTube has a lot of free content you can go through, but I would suggest you not to get distracted, because YouTube has a lot of content that we focus on something that is not important to us. So YouTube has a lot of content and you should focus on that. So there are a lot of NPTEL courses, like Professor from IIT Kharagpur, Professor Somesh Kumar. He has probability courses as well as inference courses. They have separate two courses there, free publicly on NPTEL YouTube channel. So you can go through that. That cover full syllabus. NPTEL is one of the source. Other is my YouTube channel is also there. So if you search that my name Santosh Chaudhary, you will get the YouTube. The Math Stats is my YouTube channel. So if you search Math Stats, right. So my YouTube channel also there. You can find free resource there also. So my YouTube channel name is Math Stats without gap, Math Stats. So that you will get. There is also a lot of free content there, and paid courses. Few coaching offers, an academy offers GATE statistics courses. Even I also offer GATE statistics courses. So the fees, if you say, I take around 10,000 fees. So even my students also do online classes I provide for the GATE also. So you can also see that.
And sir, one more question: how much the minimum time required?
It depends on how much you know already. So see, this is a syllabus. You have to cover this much syllabus. So if you are really beginner, it will take 4 or 5 months at least to cover full syllabus. If you are giving 3 4 hour or 2 3 hour daily, so it will take 4 5 months actually. If you 2 3 hour give properly to the syllabus, because understanding this will take a time. This is a master level courses. Few topics are like non-parametric regression, multivariate, stochastic. They are master level courses. Few of courses you might be studying in your BS degree. Almost all I think you will cover. So, but not at deep level maybe. So, but you have to go through deep level for the problem solving. So, 4 5 months is enough to prepare if you give 2 3 hour daily. Then, okay.
Okay, so let's go to the next question. Umang Bhatt, please unmute yourself
Yeah, can you
and
hear
ask.
me?
Yeah, yeah. You're audible.
Okay, I'm sorry. Actually, I joined a little bit late. I was out. I just came in. So I just want to know that how much calculus that we have to cover. It is a large portion, or like more concentration is on statistics and linear algebra.
Yeah, so Umang, you can see the syllabus on the second screen, or I mean second device showing the syllabus also. So calculus portion you can read. It is a, I mean, it is a vast portion. So calculus and linear algebra contribute 25 marks out of 100. Okay. So
Okay.
calculus and linear algebra both together contribute 25 marks out of 100. Statistics portion covers
Okay.
60 marks and aptitude gives 15 marks. So that is the portion of the marks from the different syllabus, different subjects.
Okay. And is there any like particular recommendation for the calculus and linear algebra, like books? Have you suggested previously?
Yeah,
Like
we
I
can
can
do.
see it in
Yeah,
the
not.
recording. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I suggested for the mathematics portion. So for the
Okay.
statistics portion, you can go through. If I write, so for the calculus portion, you may go through the book. One is real analysis, introduction to real analysis, introduction to real analysis by what is the name? I forgot the name. It is, I think. Let me see. Bartle and Sebert. So it is the Bartle, RG Bartle and G Sebert. You know? So
Okay.
Bartle and Sebert. For the uh, linear algebra portion, you might linear algebra portion. There is a Hoffman Kunz book by Hoffman Kunz. They are professor at MIT. So Hoffman and Kunz. So again, I will say these two books are very high level. Beginners will not be able to understand. So for the easy book, I will recommend for easy books. So one is, I think, linear algebra done right. One is book linear algebra done right by some writer is Alexander and something. You can search on Google. So something like this. Or calculus, you can go through mathematical analysis, mathematical analysis by Malik and Arora. So Malik and Arora. Also for the linear algebra, one more good recommendation is SOM series offers one book, linear algebra SOM series. So they have lot of solved example, so that you can go through. Or one more is linear algebra by. So one recently one professor retired from MIT. What was the name?
Gilbert Strand.
Yeah, Gilbert Strange. Currently, thank
Strand.
you. Gilbert Strange. So they have very good book, Linear Algebra by Gilbert Strange. So he taught around 60 years in MIT, and he had one book, Linear Algebra by Gilbert Strange. This is a very good book. So you can go through for the easy understanding. You can go through three or just five and four for the easy understanding, and then one and two are the this for the higher level. So that
Okay.
you
So
can.
like 80-85%, 80-85% is like entire mathematics, right? In GATE DA.
No, I'm talking about GATE statistics. GATE DA has, so GATE DA has also common portion. Mathematics and statistics are the common in the GATE data analysis. So if I open the GATE DA syllabus, so let me open GATE DA syllabus. So GATE DA has very much common thing with the respect to GATE statistics. Let me tell you. So
Okay.
GATE DA syllabus, if I download, so this is the website, and see there's a GATE DA syllabus. So first portion is probability in statistics, that is common with the GATE statistics portion, and the next one is linear algebra, that is also common with the GATE statistics portion. Second one is calculus and optimization, this is also common with the GATE statistics portion. Now programming, data structure and algorithm, it is not in GATE statistics. Now they are the next portions are not in statistics. Database management, they are not in. Machine learning, AI, so they are not in. So first three part is common with the GATE statistics. The first three part are also in the GATE statistics actually. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
So let's go to the next person. Srishti, please unmute yourself and ask your doubt. Srishti Tiwari. Okay, so let's go to the next person. Asutosh Maurya. Please unmute yourself and ask your doubt.
Hello, good evening. Am I audible?
Good evening.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're audible.
Actually, I cleared Gate 24, but my marks are not good enough to get into IITs with good branch. Although I am getting interdisciplinary branch in IIT and I am getting good branches in NIT. So should I wait for 2025 or should I get into NITs this year? Because I am getting good branches in NITs as per previous records.
Okay, so as per my experiences, I would like to suggest you that you may join, and again side by side you may prepare for that. And if you get next time better opportunity, you can switch. But what happens if you take the drop, for example, and next year competition increases and you may not be able to get again good branch, then you will be feeling like you wasted your 1 year. So you can do one thing, you can join your NIT, and then side by side you give some time, because since you already prepared, so you have to just work on problem solving, so that you give, and
Yes.
next time if you perform better, then you switch the institute, then you take admission. If you not, then continue that. That can be done.
Okay, okay. Thanks a lot.
Okay, Akashdeep, can you unmute yourself?
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Sir, I have a question that if I cleared statistics exam in GATE, then which type of courses I get in MTech, offered in MTech?
Yeah, I mentioned like IIT Madras also offer MTech in data science, that you can get. IIT Guwahati offer MTech in data science, that you can get. IIT Kharagpur offer MTech in computer science and data processing. So that mainly target mathematics or statistics background people, because IIT Kharagpur MTech in computer science and data processing offered by mathematics department. They have very good placement actually. So that can be done through GATE mathematics or GATE statistics. IIT Bombay has MTech in Industrial Engineering Operation Research, that also accept GATE statistics score. So these are many. ISC Bangalore has MTech in Data Science, that offers, and then this year also my student got offer from ISC Bangalore MTech Data Science, who had rank 3. So that also accept GATE statistics score. So these are the institute you can target.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so let's go to the next person. Katlari Wala Soham, please unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir. I would like to know that is it better to pursue masters from abroad, or should we like stay here and prepare for GATE?
I think it's your personal choice, though. So you should decide with your family what is better for you. If you prepare for GATE and suppose you don't qualify, then what will you do again? So if you are confident, you can do qualify that if you are getting offered. I think this is a personal choice. So I cannot suggest you with what you can do. So you should talk to your family and then decide mutually. So that I can say.
So Jagdish has asked one question, sir, in the chat box. This year, I appeared for a GATE data science and qualified by getting just the qualification marks. I wish to improve. What I should do?
Okay. So I
Yes.
think. Yeah, so improve means just you have to improve your knowledge, you have to improve your problem solving skill, and then you have to improve your marks in the GATE exam. So how can you improve? The answer is simply you have to work upon. So see, you are since you this is actually GATE is a competitive exam, so it's not like how much you are prepared. It's also like how much others are prepared. So you have to prepare better than the others. So since if you are preparing a lot and you are getting less marks, means that someone else is more prepared than you. So that will you have to decide, you have to improve as much as this compared to others, so that if you want to get rank 1, so you have to be one of the best candidate out of in that subject. So I think only I can say you can work on syllabus repeatedly, work on PYQ, then solve a lot of problems, solve a lot of mock tests, and then you will get see what you have learned from this exam this year, and then work on that. What marks you got and what marks you supposed to get for the being top ranker. So based on that, you can plan your preparation. Okay.
Yes,
We
yes, sir.
already had statistics in foundation level. Then the if in the statistics is enough for this GATE
Right.
exam.
It covers most of the part of the statics syllabus
Yes.
of GATE exam.
So since it covers syllabus, does not mean you will qualify the exam easily. So you have to see the level of the questions. So level of the question asked in the exam, if you are able to solve currently, then you are at good level. So only knowing a definition or gone through the theorems does not help you to solve questions. So you have to solve question to see whether what they are asking and what you know are sufficient to solve that question to get the correct answer. So that is more. So I think for that you should see the previous year questions of GATE 2024, 23, 22, 21. So GATE status started in 2019 for the first time. No, separated from GATE mathematics. Initially it's worked with the mathematics only. So now GATE mathematics don't ask any statistics question. Before that it was asking with that. So you should refer to the previous year paper, and if you are able to solve the question, then you are good prepared. Just improve your problem solving skill, that is enough. Otherwise you have to learn how to solve questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for answering this question. So, Umang Bhatt.
Yeah, so actually you have covered a little bit about the previous year question. So I was just asking that solving previous year's GATE statistic question for data science paper will be like very high level. It would be very high level to solve those papers. I solve those papers for like GATE DA, or like it's the same level.
No, I think GATE DA has very less level than the GATE statistics paper. If you see, GATE DA has, you've seen the paper this year also. So they have introductory level questions. In GATE DA, the statistics question they asked was very introductory level. But in the GATE statistics, they asked at advanced level. So in GATE statistics, the level of the question is tougher, obviously, because it is a core subject exam. And GATE DA is like computer science, mathematics, statistics, all are involved. So they have introductory level. So GATE DA has statistics easier than the GATE statistics actually.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, yeah, Anushka Roy, please unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir. Sir, then what are the various sources from where we can practice gate statistics and calculus optimization or other linear algebra questions? Because we have only one PYQ.
For the GATE DA you are talking about?
Statistics part and calculus part, all the entire mathematics and statistics portion.
Yeah, actually GATE statistics was started in 2019. So you have total 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You have 6 papers actually, PYQs. GATE statistics
No, for
only.
DSAI. For DSAI.
Okay, data science you are talking about. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, that's only. So in data science for the statistics question you have just one. So I think you should practice questions from, there are questions from JAM statistics paper or the some statistics entrance exam questions you can solve. So for that you can see, obviously books are helpful. So for the syllabus respective books are okay. But for the entrance problem you can solve IIT JAM mathematical statistics exam is there. One is a JAM mathematical statistics exam. So you can solve those questions. JAM MS exam started in 2005. So there are a lot of questions there. So that will help you in GATE data science and artificial intelligence. So that you can solve. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Ashutosh Maurya.
Yeah, I want to ask one more question. Can we go into PSU after clearing GATE data science, and while we are having only one degree, that is IIT MPS degree? Can we go into PSUs?
I think PSUs, I'm not sure whether they have started recruitment this year based on GATE data science and artificial intelligence, because it was a one paper only now. So
Yes.
I also need to know whether they are hiring or not. So I'm not sure about the hiring process, whether they are hiring this year based on data science score. So I'm not sure about this year.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, Srishti Tiwari.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello, Srishti.
Sir, actually, I'm having my background in BSc Mathematics, and after that, I've joined this BS degree program. So, I want to know that if I prepare for GATE 2025 DA, then what are the options for me, like MTech or MS, or like other than that in PSUs or anything regarding that?
So purpose of GATE exam, I told already, there are 3 purpose of GATE exam. One is the PSU job, other is the MTech admission, third one is the PhD admission. So GATE can be used, any GATE score, like GATE data science or GATE statistics, any GATE score can be used for the job, for the PhD or for the MTech admission. So like you asked where you can join. So GATE DA, I think it is also being accepted at every MTech data science program, whether it is IIT Guwahati, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, or any other IIT Roorkee. So they are all starting MTech in data science program. So that will be accepting obviously GATE DA, Data Science and Artificial Intelligence score, so that you can apply to.
But so actually, I don't have any BTech background. So can I do
No, no,
MTech?
no. Okay, okay, no, no. For the MTech, you need 4-year bachelor's degree or the bachelor's 3-year bachelor's plus 2-year master's degree.
So if I did this BS degree completely, if I'll complete this BS degree itself, so then I'll eligible for MTech.
Yes, I think it is 4-year degree, na? So yes, you are then.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, you are
Okay.
eligible after this degree.
And sir, one more thing. Actually, I have heard some news about NEETI, IIM Mumbai, about MBA. They are also taking it from the GATE score. So, what are your thoughts about it? Like, can you share some more information regarding that? Am I
Okay.
eligible to join that?
Actually, I don't know about this. That I am Mumbai or something offers MBA based on GATE score. So I also need to know about this. I don't know actually.
Yeah, okay. And so the PSU's jobs would be available after qualifying 2025. Are there any options?
Yeah, I think so. The data analyst role and this, like I mentioned, CREASE, Center for Railway Information, CREASE Indian Railways initially offered job through GATE statistics. So now they might shift into GATE DA actually, since they are looking for data analyst. So instead of hiring the statistics people, now I think they will be hiring for the through GATE data science and artificial intelligence people instead of GATE statistics. So yes, I think PSU will be hiring through GATE DA.
Yeah, okay. So other than PSUs, MTech and MS are possibly the options for us for me to
Yes.
proceed, right?
After BS degree,
Okay,
you
sir.
can join PhD also. So PhD also option for you. Without MTech, you can directly join PhD after 4-year bachelor's degree. So you can also do that based on GATE score only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Pranshu, if you have any question, then you can ask. And I think now we should take only last one or two questions, and we should wrap up today's long question session. Yeah, Pranshu, if you have any question, then you can ask. Abhishek Sharma, yeah. If you have any question, then you can ask.
Hello, sir. I have two questions. So, am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes,
you
yes,
are.
you are doing.
Sir, my first question is how should we plan to distribute our time for next year's gate? That is, how many months for core preparation and what time should we leave for practicing previous year papers and problem solving completely? I have another question as well. So, what are the key preparation differences that a candidate who scores under 10 rank have during his or her preparation than someone who scores rank 100 or 200? Thank you.
Okay, so what I got first question was how to prepare. So obviously, how much time you can give. So since you are already going through one degree program, so you keep doing that for the entrance preparation daily. You just divide your time. There are 24 hours you have, so you divide your time schedule. If you spend daily 2-3 hours on syllabus and PYQ, and once you cover full syllabus and solve PYQs, then you can check your preparation. So for that you can solve some unsolved questions from different coaching institutes. You can take questions or mock tests you can take, or just you can some solve some book questions. So during syllabus you might be solving, and so this is the preparation part. How much time you can give consistently? If you 6-7 months, if you study 2-3 hours, that is enough. And what is difference between the top rankers and, so the difference is they have a very good conceptual understanding. First thing, they have good problem solving skill, and they have good accuracy. So like in exam you have 65 questions, you have to solve in 3 hours. So you should be try to solving a maximum number of questions with good accuracy. So if you get the correct answer, then only you will getting marks, otherwise negative marking are also there. So that is, you have to revise a lot of, so they people revise concept regularly, they solve a lot of problems. So that is the main difference actually. So you have to keep your knowledge sharp in sense of conceptual understanding and as well as problem solving actually, both.
Thank you, sir.
So now we will take a last question, and then we should wrap up this today's session. So Gaurav Verma, please unmute yourself and ask your question.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for this chance. Sir, can you throw some light on the subjects and topics, or maybe areas that are covered when one is pursuing MTech in statistics in any of these top institutes that you have mentioned?
Yes, actually, there is no program like MTech in statistics. So, GATE statistics is exam that help people to get admission into MTech data science, MTech computer science, MTech mathematics and computing. If someone somewhere there, so MTech data statistics program is not started anywhere. So it is somewhat related to data science. If you go into data science, then you will study like why computer science thing, statistics, mathematics, all of the things. So there is nothing. Gate statistics offer admission into MTech or PhD. You can pursue PhD in statistics actually. So, but there is nothing, no program in anywhere in India that is like MTech in statistics.
So, in if I talk about PhD in statistics,
Yeah.
what kind of subjects does one get to study, and how long generally PhD tends to be? What sort of experience can one expect
Yes.
while
So
going for PhD?
in India, if you talk about, like, I have done PhD in statistics from IIT Kharagpur, and I finished PhD in 3 years only. So I joined, in fact, not 3 years. I joined PhD in IIT Kharagpur August 2021, and now it is June 2024, and I'm assistant professor there. So I'm about to wrap up my PhD. So around the process is running already. Process in the sense, I'm about to just giving my synopsis, and this month by end I will give this. So I finished in 3 years only PhD, but some may take 4 year, 5 year, 6 year, 7 year, 8 year. I know the people who took 8 year also. So it depends on you and the problem you are solving. So your ability and the problem you are solving, the level of the problem you are solving, that is the thing. And the program, PhD program, is like 1 year you will be going through coursework process, like you study in BSc or MSc thing. So 1 year they will teach you some advanced level courses that will be helping you in research. And then after 1 year you have to appear in comprehensive exam registration process, and then from the second year onward research started. And now it's up to you that PhD is about publishing research papers. So like in IIT Kharagpur, there was rule that you must have at least 2 SCI research papers to get the degree. So it's up to you if you take 1 year to publish that 2 papers, or you take 6 years to publish that 2 papers. So it's up to you. So it's up to you and your the level of problem you are solving. So that depends. PhD process takes time, 3 to 8 years. So minimum 3 year it will take. Institute will not give you degree before 3 year. So minimum 3 year and maximum 8 year it gives you.
Okay, thank you, sir, for
Thank
answering
you,
this
sir.
question. And unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir, for sharing your insightful and guidance through the entire session. And we all gained deep understanding of the subject. So thank you all, the participants of our active engagement and throughout the questions. Remember, this is just beginning of our Get series. So stay tuned for upcoming session. We will continue to explore and demonstrate various topics. Once again, a big thank you to Mr. Santosh Chaudhary, sir, and thank you all for being here, and have you great evening. Goodbye, and
Yeah, thank
see
you so
you
much
in
for
next
inviting.
session.
Yeah, thank you so much. I enjoyed it too. Thank you. And it was very good experience to me also. Yeah, thank you and bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. So last note for participants, uh, like soon you will receive a email having a group's link, right, of this Gate series. So try joining that. And rest, we are going to have a lot of speaker sessions as well. Like this was on stats and probability. Next one will be like how to prepare the strategies for Gate and its placement, right? So the speaker will be talking about these things. He's a very nice guy, having 100K subscribers, and we'll share the details about him in the group itself. Then on Saturday, we are expecting to have a speaker. He is associated with IIT Kanpur, and like he will be taking the session on DSA, right? So and like we have AIR 2, we have AIR 17, like just like this, you know. So there will be a lot of sessions. You can ask relevant questions in those sessions. Thank you for joining.
So, guys, we have created a community. The problem I was facing, that a lot of students, either they are sitting in some part of country, but they don't know who are the other students are preparing for the GATE exam. So then we planned to create a community where all the people who are preparing for the GATE exam, they can join that community and you can share your question, your problems, even you can study together for all the subjects. And in this GATE series, we will cover the entire syllabus and the speaker will teach you what are the essential topics and how you should prepare for that subject and what will the percentage and how to secure a good rank in the any immediate exam and you can get admission in MTech and all. So this entire series will be a guidance series. A speaker will come and they will know about each topics, sorry, for each subjects, how you should prepare, what the syllabus and what are the key points you have to keep in your mind when you are preparing. And this community which we are building, it will help a lot of students who are preparing for the GATE exam. So this is a initiative from taken by our Sundarbans House, and we have created same thing for our placement series also. So in a placement series, let's suppose multiple students are preparing for the placement on internship. So you can share your maybe problems, you can share a resume, you can share a project, you can share if someone company is hiring for a data analyst or data scientist, then you can share the link and the student can apply for that job also. So we have created two community and later on we have planned other series also. So stay tuned and you will get email regarding that also. So see you in next meet. And if you have any question, you can ask right now. And if you want to give me some suggestion how we can improve our session, what are the things we should include in the session, then please let me know here. I will try to implement your whatever suggestion you have. It if it will be feasible for us to implement it. If you have any suggestion, please let me know, and I will try to implement it if it will be feasible for us to implement. Right now we don't have a Discord server. We have created a WhatsApp community, uh, but we don't have right now any Discord server. Yeah, Radhe Mahato. Don't raise your hand, just unmute yourself and let me know what's the doubt and what are suggestion you have, how we can improve this gate series. What are the better things we can do in the series? Anyone? Yeah, Radhe Mahato.
Uh, Sir, please bring some get series in computer science or data science. How we can use the free resources and how much it will take time to just to conquer the exam.
We have created our entire session regarding GATE in data science. So our syllabus, our topics is selected regarding our data science course. So for computer science, maybe different. So we are just focusing on data science area, and yeah, later on maybe we think because most of the students here is data science student, and they are preparing for the GATE exam. Most probably they are preparing for data science in GATE exam. Any suggestion? I will share. Have you if guys if you have registered for the Get series, then you will get the link of our community. If you have not registered, go and register. Otherwise, if you have not registered, then you will not get any link to join our community, and we will verify to each of the member. So if you are thinking if you will get the link of WhatsApp group and you will able to join, no, it will not going to happen. We will check your mobile number throughout our Google form, whatever we have collected the data, and if it will match with data, then we will accept your request. Otherwise, we will reject it. So all the students will be verified on that group, and the initiative of creating this group is to help all the students who are preparing for the GATE exam. Right, so you can connect with the people in a BS degree who are also preparing for the GATE exam, and I think it will help to a lot of people because in our BS degree, people they don't know who are preparing for this thing. They don't have any as such a community. Then we decided to go with it. In offline courses, most of the students know to each other what are things going on, which person is preparing for which exam and all. But in our BS degree, we don't know, right? So that's why we created this community. Any suggestion anyone wants to give? If you want to give in Hindi, no issues. I know Hindi and English. I don't know for other language. अगर आप हिंदी में भी बताना चाहते हो, आप दे सकते हो अपने सजेशंस हम इसको बेटर कैसे कर सकते हैं, इसमें हमको क्या इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए, आपके एक्सपीरियंस से क्या लगता है हम इसको बेटर कर सकते हैं इस वेब सीरीज में? एनी सजेशन?
Radhe, you have raised your hand.
Yeah,
Like
Radhe.
if you want to say something. Why Devya? What is this?
Okay, guys. So
Okay.
for getting more updates regarding our placement series, guild series, and upcoming other series also, please check out the Sundarbans page on LinkedIn, on Instagram, and all the recordings of the session will be uploaded on the Sundarbans YouTube channel. So if you have missed the any session, or if you missed the some part of the session, then later on you can watch the recording of the session on our Sundarbans IITM YouTube channel. So you can check out the channel and you can maybe subscribe if you want. We are adding some value in your life. If you are thinking we are doing something for you, then you can subscribe, you can follow our LinkedIn page as well as Instagram page also.
Okay, on the feedback thing, I would like to say, when why we are like asked to vote, ठीक है? When we vote ना, then we like तब हमें पता चलता है अच्छा हमने वोट किया तब हम क्रिटिसाइज कर सकते हैं गवर्नमेंट को, ठीक है? तो आप फीडबैक नहीं दे रहे हो ना, तो यू कैन नॉट लाइक क्रिटिसाइज और से समथिंग अगेंस्ट अस। आई गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, ठीक है? कि आप अगर कुछ बोल रहे हो ना तो आप फीडबैक दो, है ना? ऐसा आपको नहीं बोल सकते, एक मतलब कहने का तरीका है ये। तो जस्ट गिव द फीडबैक कि हाँ ऐसा सेशन होना चाहिए, ठीक है? ऐसा हम कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये सेशन आपके लिए है ना। सो अगर हम ही कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे फिर वो थोड़ा सा वो हो जाएगा।
We are
Rest,
doing
we have groups,
we are
है ना? आप
putting a
कुछ नहीं
lot
बोलो।
of effort, right? For our
Yeah.
students, for our peers who are preparing for the gate, for the placement, for other series we have also planned, right? But we have we are doing this thing just for you guys, right? What are things you can get from here if you are preparing for anything like gate or placement? You can get insights from here, and we are not getting anything. No one house or IIC or SBC, no one is doing this thing, right? But we are doing, and we are assuming you will get some suggestion. We can make it more better and more better, right? My intention is how we can provide best thing to the our friends who are preparing for the gate or something. Daily study session होना चाहिए. Maybe it's really tough for us uh, to schedule a session on daily basis. It's really tough for us, and it's maybe you can even we have created a community. You can study together. You can share a Gmail link, and you can study together in that session. But the speaker will not be available for the everyday because yeah, it's not. Easy to we will reach out to the speaker, this check their schedule, then they accept our invitation, they then they come to the session and all, right? So it's not possible to conduct a session every day on this series, but you guys can uh, join that community and you can study together every day. So if you don't have any question, if you don't have any doubt, if you don't have any suggestion, then guys you can leave no issues. And thank you all for attending this session.